December 5, 1945. The U.S. Navy launches a routine training flight, Flight 19. 5 powerful Avenger bombers soar into the sky over Florida. But within hours, something goes terribly wrong. Over the radio, one pilot's voice trembles. "My compass is gone. We can't tell east from west. Everything looks strange." Moments later, silence. 5 planes, 14 crew members, vanished. And when the Navy sends a massive rescue plane to search for them, that too disappears without a trace. 27 men, gone in a single day. Ocean fades into silence. What could possibly swallow ships, planes, and human lives so completely that not even a scrap of metal is ever found? This is the Bermuda Triangle. A region of sea so mysterious, it has been called cursed, haunted, even a portal to another world. And in 2025, new research might finally reveal the truth. The Bermuda Triangle stretches between Miami, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, over 500,000 square miles of deep Atlantic waters. On the surface, it looks beautiful: blue seas, warm currents, a paradise for sailors and tourists. But beneath it lies one of the greatest mysteries of our planet. The U.S. Coast Guard estimates that more than 50 ships and 20 aircraft have been lost in this region. Some vanish in storms, some in clear skies. Some leave wreckage, others disappear entirely, as if the ocean itself swallowed them whole. For centuries, sailors have whispered its name with fear. And yet, millions of people cross it every year, on cruises, flights, cargo ships, most never knowing they are entering the Devil's Triangle. But what makes this place so deadly? Over time, countless theories have tried to explain it, some grounded in science, others drifting into the realm of the supernatural. Magnetic anomalies. One theory claims that Earth's magnetic field acts strangely in the triangle, making compasses spin wildly and confusing pilots. Methane gas eruptions. Others point to giant methane bubbles erupting from the seafloor, sudden bursts that reduce the ocean's density, making ships sink like stones. Rogue waves. More recently, scientists suggest rogue waves, giant walls of water over 100 feet tall, that appear without warning and destroy anything in their path. Atlantis and aliens. But then, there are theories that stretch beyond science. Some believe the triangle hides the ruins of Atlantis, its lost technology still active beneath the sea. Others claim it is a gateway used by extraterrestrials to abduct humans. The Bermuda Triangle sits at the crossroads of fact and myth. But the truth might be even stranger. Behind the theories are the chilling stories. Real ships, real planes, real people who never came home. USS Cyclops, 1918. The USS Cyclops, a U.S. Navy ship carrying 309 men and tons of cargo, vanished without a single distress call. No wreckage, no survivors. This loss remains the deadliest unexplained incident in U.S. Navy history and is one of the largest non-combat loss of life in U.S. Witchcraft Yacht, 1967. In 1967, the luxury yacht Witchcraft set out from Miami with 2 men on board. Only 1 mile from shore, they radioed for help after hitting something in the water. When the Coast Guard arrived minutes later, the yacht was gone. No trace was ever found. Flight 19, 1945. And of course, Flight 19. The 5 Navy planes lost in 1945. Their final radio message still echoes through history: "We can't find the horizon, everything looks wrong." That chilling call was the last anyone heard. Imagine being a family member, waiting for your husband, your son, your father to return, and all you're told is, they vanished. No explanation, just gone. But in 2025, new technology has allowed scientists to investigate the Bermuda Triangle like never before. AI-powered drones. Autonomous drones equipped with sonar now scan the ocean floor, revealing underwater canyons and trenches deeper than Everest is tall. Satellite data. Satellites in 2025 detected strange electromagnetic anomalies in the triangle, bursts of energy that can disrupt communication systems and confuse navigation instruments. Methane evidence. Deep-sea drilling samples found frozen methane hydrates beneath the seabed. If released suddenly, they could erupt with explosive force, dragging ships under within minutes. Scientists at the University of Miami suggest that rogue waves, methane eruptions, and electromagnetic disturbances might together explain many of the mysteries. But here's the catch: not all of them. Because even with this data, some disappearances remain unsolved. Wrecks that should exist, don't. Entire planes, massive ships, gone without a single bolt recovered. For all our progress, the Bermuda Triangle still defies complete explanation. Why do we cling to this mystery? Maybe because humans fear what they cannot control. Maybe because the ocean is still largely unexplored, more than 80% of it remains unmapped. Or maybe because the Bermuda Triangle is more than just a place, it's a symbol. The triangle has become a mirror of our deepest fears, the unknown, the unseen, the unstoppable power of nature, and sometimes, the possibility that we are not alone. The Bermuda Triangle is not just about the ships we lost, or the planes that vanished. It is about the unanswered questions, the silent radios, the empty oceans, the families who never received closure. And even in 2025, with satellites, drones, and AI, the triangle refuses to give up all its secrets. So the next time you fly from Miami to Puerto Rico, or sail into Bermuda's turquoise waters, remember, most will pass through safely, but a few will not. And when the ocean swallows them whole, the question will return, is the Bermuda Triangle just a legend, or is it waiting for its next victim?